Hello, good morning students. Children, let us enact the play Androcles and the Lion. Okay? And as you know, it is a play. You have to do the role play of different characters. Children, I will read the play and you please follow me and read along with me. Please try to modulate your voice according to the character. Okay? Let's start. As we discussed, there are different characters like Androcles and Benedictus who are in scene 1. They both are slaves working for their master, working very hard and not getting proper food or rest. Scene 1 is enacted in a field. As you know, they are working in the field for their master. Let's see what the first scene. Androcles. Our cruel master makes us work all day long in his fields, yet he never pays us a penny. So, whole day they are working very hard for their master in the field. Okay, doing as a laborer working in the field, and the master is not even paying one single penny. Penny means paisa. So they are not getting any money. As I told you, they are slaves. They have been bought from somebody and they are being used like animals without giving a single, money means it is in penny, because in Greece they use this for paisa. Okay. Benedictus, the fellow slave, he is also a slave working for the same master. Yes, we are always hungry and tired, not even getting food to eat. Very tired, working till night. Benedictus is very upset because the master makes him work all day long without giving them proper food. Androcles, I have decided to escape. He wants to run away. Okay, escape means to go away from this master's house. Tonight I will creep out of the house once he falls asleep. Creep means to move slowly and quietly. So he will move away very slowly and quietly from the house so that the master cannot understand. Once he falls asleep. Benedictus warns, be careful. You know what they do if they catch a slave who tries to escape. They throw him in a cage with a hungry lion inside. So it is a custom that if a slave is caught, because it happens, the slaves cannot bear the torture, so they run away, okay, and they are caught and thrown in a cage where there is a hungry lion. What will the lion do? It will eat him up, okay, he will be killed. Androcles manages to escape at night, but he was desperate. He wanted to run away, so he ran away from the master's house at night. Now coming to next scene, scene 2, and it is in a jungle. So this Androcles ran away from master's house and reached the jungle. Morning time, Androcles is sleeping on the ground covered with dried leaves. As you see in the fields, dried leaves are there, and he was sleeping because whole night maybe he had ran. Suddenly he hears a lion roar and wakes up. Now he is no more, he did not have the strength to run anymore, and maybe he had fallen down and gone off to sleep, and hearing the lion's roar, he got awakened. Okay, so he gets up when the lion starts roaring near him. Androcles to himself, holy Zeus, there is a gigantic lion standing right in front of me. I should run away or I am as good as that. So he is telling himself, holy Zeus, this is their god, Greek god, okay? And there is a gigantic means huge lion front of him, and I should run away or I am good as dead. So he will be killed. He knows that. The lion roars in pain. It holds out its bleeding paw. Paw means the leg part which is padded with claws are there. So it holds and it is in pain, crying in pain. Androcles, oh, the lion is wounded. There is a huge thorn sticking out of his paw. He could see. The lions, they don't wear sandals, na? Maybe walking in the jungle, a thorn had pricked. And it is not able to take it out, so it holds its paw to show that, see, I am wounded, and it was bleeding also. I would like to help you, poor creature, but I don't want to become your breakfast. So please don't eat me up. I don't want to become your breakfast, but I will definitely try to help you out. The lion roars in pain again, holding out on its paw. The lion, as if trying to say, I will not do anything to you. Please take out the thorn from my paw. Androcles, but you look so sad. I will help you, provided you don't gobble me down like a piece of chicken. So yes, you look so sad. I will help you. Definitely I tried to take out but don't gobble me out like a piece of chicken. Gobble me to swallow food quickly. Sometime in a hurry now we eat something very quickly, and don't gobble me like a chicken. I am not a chicken that you will eat me up. Androcles steps forward and pulls out the thorn. The lion opens its mouth and lets out a terrible yelp. Yelp means help. Oh, he was in pain. When that thorn was taken out, he cries out in pain. It brings its mouth closer to Androcles' face. Now he comes very nearer to Androcles' face. Androcles, oh, please don't eat me now. He thought that, oh, the thorn has gone. Now the lion will eat, because it has come very near to this man, Androcles. Instead of biting Androcles, lion gently licked its face. Lick means you must have seen dog licking, cats licking, taking out their tongue, and it was licking, as you can see this picture. Androcles' face, the lion was licking. Androcles, that's oh sweet, not very hygienic though. I suppose I will get some water from the stream to wash your wound. He says, oh, that's so sweet of you, licking my face. When the animals lick, when they are happy, when they want to show their great, gratitude, like you must have seen dogs, they lick their master, okay, or the cats, or any domestic animals. But it is not so hygienic. Hygienic means free from germs and dirt, because you are in jungle and everything. Your wound is, so it's not hygienic to do that. But yes, I will get some stream water, means water from the stream. Stream is like a talao, okay, from the stream, and wash your wound. Androcles gets some water and washes the lion's bleeding paw. It was still bleeding. Androcles, here it is washed, you will be all right now. Yes, you are washed, the thorn has been taken out, now you will be all right. The lion licks Androcles one last time, so he was going on licking Androcles, and as if to say thank you, then it limps off into the jungle. Suddenly, Androcles hears his master voice, enter master with 6 strong men, soldiers. So once the lion leaves, he could hear the sound of his master and the guards, and the master enters with 6 strong men. Master to the soldiers, that's him, go and tie him up. So the master has found him out in the jungle, and he told his guards, go and tie him up. This is the man who has ran away. Soldiers grab Androcles and tie him up with ropes. As I told you, they were chained. Okay, so he was tied with a rope. Master to Androcles, you thought you would escape, didn't you? Nobody escapes from me. So you thought that you will escape from me, and nobody escapes from me. You are caught, and see what I do with you. The men take Androcles to the city and throw him into the prison. And those guards take Androcles to the city and throw him in the prison. That is the punishment he will get. He will be thrown in the lion's cage. Okay. We will continue with other scenes in the next module. Thank you, children.